Machita Ramakrotman, Orlando Pirates, the leading league challengers, are back this weekend, Sadrach against the Sekhukhune United. I-Pirates bafethu this season izawulalisa ii-teams phandle bafethu. Kule video ndiza explain why Orlando Pirates have more than 3 new players. They made 3 new signings, okay, Andre De Jong, Mpho Chabatsane plus no Daniel Msendami. But the Pirates have other 6 new players, and that is what I'm going to explain up the video bafethu, and why Pirates have other players as these 6. At the end of the video bafethu uzovumelana, you're going to agree with me uthi ya isele out inyanisile ngale wethethayo. Asikisi ngophazamisa Machita, xa singalibali usupport i-channel, ushaye nje u-like, okanye if eqala udibana ne-channel ungalahli ungaphosozi wezi-grand, ushaye usubscribe sileqa u-20,000 subscribers bafethu. So Bucks have 6 new players bafethu that to me feels like new signings, right? Football, when you have players, key players, is Tito out with injuries for more than 4 months, is in 5, 6 months, is in 8 months, and is key players, is key role players up the team. When they're coming back, it feels like new signings without spending. And why do I say like these players are gonna feel like new signings? When you have a key player coming from injury, xa bebuya ba-increase i-squad depth, ba-increase i-competition in the team, like intensity kwa ejimini iyarisa, and nasemachini there's a lot more intensity, la energy nehunger amachita nayo to prove themselves. They still have it, they're still quality players. It rubs off with the new players in the team. The Pirates are going to be very dangerous bafethu. Coach is about more options for a tactical flexibility, and sayazi coach Pirates bafethu, he's tactically astute, or Abdeslam Wad. So having these new players with so much talent back at his disposal is a tactical balance, a bit more experimental, and look for new balances in his tactical setup and the way he wants to play football. He's got a certain playing model that he's employing at Orlando Pirates most. So these new players coming from injury, who am I talking about? This comes from a defense and into midfield. There's options like Uwadu, including the front line. So these are players ezibuyayo, like throughout the team, from defense up to the last line attack. In defense, Oli Sanda is coming back. Utabiso Sesane is coming back, is back. In midfield, Orlando Pirates, they have Selailo Raseboja coming back. Ndayazi bakhona abantu who've said how Raseboja is not good, I Pirates quality lewe. Siyabazi, there's always people like that bafethu, abavele baboni player in 1 or 2 matches and then by dismiss, by delete a player nje after 1 or 2 matches. And you don't learn a lesson, you don't mature as a football fan. Like, how many times have you written off a player too early? You should, like, suppose we are funda from uthatha i-players too early. Ora Seboja ayiloqatha bafethu, usuka iSuperSport United, and why midfielder is SuperSport United, usuka na School of Excellence. Ora Seboja central midfielder bafethu. That profile enough, even if before you watch him, if you know football, you should know there's something there. So Raseboja is also coming back, and also there's the Malayan midfielder, Abdullahi Mariko, quality player. Naibona, like almost the first game. Yeah, and the way it sounds like a contradiction, right? Because like when you can't dismiss a player in like the first game or 2. But the opposite can happen in terms of positivity when we born Majonga. But if a player into him, we are was we born like in the first moment the first time we born nje, first game kanye first touch bali quality, and that's football bafethu. Abdullahi Mariko nambona dala bayiwanso yembule, and Abdeslam Watu uye watsho uba i-quality player le, wa explain bakutheni uMariko ongadlali ba umjita is settling, is gonna get him into the team steadily. It doesn't want to rush him, and Watu can afford that because there's so much quality in midfield Orlando Pirates. What out, he needs to settle into the environment, the culture. He has by playing to Wembley, and it's gonna get him in gradually. And Saibona Louis Mariko Yoga last game Paris before he AFCON break. We calling Black Label Cup. We Paris as champions is the calling knockout, the calling all stars. Bona quality kaMariko ba again bebe khona ke nawo abantu banxama umjida bamchitha abantu babukela ibhola ku Facebook bathi ya se uMariko ayikho ntswembu ayi quality le batsho, and then babona kule game calling Black Label ba player le. So Mariko is also coming back, and is going to have that hunger, that it's going to feel like a new signing because he didn't really play first half. And the same way Kaizer Chiefs in a new players, in case except corner match favorite Kaizer Chiefs abukele le video, and I'm sure I corner foot because like the channel sithetha more than, but I score too much about the fandom up the channel more than master disc. So the as corner match abukele with Chiefs up. Even Kaizer Chiefs, but look Batman ain't a new signing because it's only starting to play now. Yeah, well. So Paris now is going to be the same issue with Mariko, and then in the final third there's also staying in midfield. Six. Makahlena Makaula. There's nothing more I should say about it. There's nothing to tell you about Makaula. We all know midfield of the season, Betway Premiership, the holding midfield of the season. And then the final third, there's another player that's coming that started very well for Orlando Pirates. He was like the first star player even before Oswin Napolis no Tsepang Moremi Balaite. Before Balaite, Kaliga le Kabehelo Sebelebele. Yoba injured, he's back now. He's also gonna feel like a new signing because he got out like pretty early on in the season. I think he was out in September after the games the Sundowns. So there you have it, bafethu. Pirates izolalisa abantu phandle, bafethu. Izolalisa iteams phandle. Izoba some danger nyanyana Orlando Pirates, bafethu. So there's not just like 3 new players. Do you agree now, bafethu? Ngalwe nqo explainer yonke le ba say is new players they're going to feel like new signings because bazoza nehunger, bazona determination, bazofuna uziprova. Bazoqala intensity uyinyusa kwasejimini because kusebafuna start bafuna udlala nala energy plus the coach bayinika options, and go out for that long you're gonna feel like a new signing. And Orlando Pirates ibise this is a big point. Orlando Pirates as players iyakwazi ukuhopa, iyakwazi ukompete, iyakwazi uachieve without zona, and then uziyabuya ngoku so level. So yeah, bafethu, this is serious talk. This is serious chat, bafethu. What do you think, bafethu? Nithini niyavumelana nami okanye? So Orlando Pirates, there's 3 new signings. Andre De Jong, Mpho Chabatsane, or replacer Umbekezile Mbogazi as like a left center back, and then Bekole out. Andre De Jong is going to play. He's known as a number 10. Gasiyazi bamhlambi watu is going to decide this is a striker, but De Jong is a 10, and he's saying u10 ohlukileyo izonceda lo Orlando Pirates. Istyle sakhe uDe Jong sehlukile kwezinye onumber 10 abaninzi aba South Africa. Yena ngu10 o direct, Mr Space and Intelligence. Iyaphangela engceni le yana, create opportunities ne spaces for teammates zayo. Orlando Pirates yazi i-goal scorers abantu Paris kakhulu zi-wide players ozuna Paul Tshepang Moremi. Leia is going to take Paris as a players to another level ngoba njengoba Mr Space, Mr Creativity, spatial awareness and hard work ephangela encane and udirect futhi still Paris isenabo 10 abantswimi bafana noMasangwane plus no Landuza Kabelo Dlamini lane ezoba different and is take Paris to another level and it really places high with the young, so bazo benefit kakhulu bascore more goals or Police plus no Moremi. Even the strikers are going to continue to score as well. And then Beko also Daniel Msendami also naye umchita is a direct goal scoring winger. That 3 plus nearly 6 ngithetha ngayo they're coming from injury. 6 more players. You have 3 new signings, but 6 more new players are going to feel like signings. What do you say, Bafethu? Ndiyachiya okanye you agree nami? Basicela comments Bafethu. Ngalibala support channel, shaye like okanye ushaye subscribe Bafethu. Sileqa 20,000 subscribers. Thanking your support. Much Bafethu.